Good morning, Giddy.
Thank you. This one. This one. The leprechaun or the clown? I got the clown. That's for you, Mama. That's for you, and that's for Daddy.
Okay. Is that pretty cool?
Yeah. Leprechaun.
Leprechaun.
Got leprechaun.
Mm-hmm.
Not Mordecai. Leprechaun. Say leprechaun. I got leprechaun. Yay. I got leprechaun.
Mm-hmm. What'd you get, Yuri?
I got a rainbow.
With clouds?
Eyeballs.
His eyeballs?
Eyeballs. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Good morning, guys. Welcome to our daily vlogs. And I'm feeling a lot better than I did yesterday. Fatigue-wise, my throat hurts a little bit more, but I feel like it's starting to pass. The kids are getting along very well, as you can tell. Since I had all this extra energy today, I used that to start cleaning because it really needed it. Ben's taking a nap. I don't think he's feeling too much better. And I'm giving these kiddos a little bath. And usually Yuri does a really good job taking care of her brother in the bathtub. She likes to wash him and big sisterly things. Keep the water in the tub. So I think this week we're going to be focusing on purging a lot of stuff that we don't need anymore because it's getting into springtime and I'm really ready for that springtime cleaning because I hate that our house is so messy, and I think a lot of it is because we have way too much stuff. This is going to be a project this week. The kids just have too many toys, so I need to get rid of a decent amount of them. Gideon is not a baby anymore, so he doesn't really need the changing table. We only used it half the time. We used it when Yuri was a baby, but then with Gideon, I felt like we just changed him everywhere, wherever he was in the house. So yeah, he just has a lot of stuff. Some of them are like bigger things, and some things he still uses, but there's so much stuff they don't really get a chance to use, and then, you know, stuff ends up everywhere. He doesn't utilize his closet completely, so a lot of that stuff can just go up in there. So this week, I'm going to be doing a kid room cleaning for Gideon's room. You love peaches, Giddy?
Some taste is different.
The orange juice does?
Uh-huh. Taste it, Mom.
Well, that's because that one's fresh squeezed orange juice. It only has oranges in it. It doesn't have anything else in it.
You mean like sugar?
Mm-hmm. You like it or no?
Mm-hmm.
Done?
I eat.
Mm-hmm. Happens every time I come to get you guys to wash up.
Huh? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Wash up?
Yeah, wash up. Every time I say, oh, you guys are done, let's go wash up. You say, no,
Nope.
I want to eat.
I can't eat.
Yeah, but then when I walk away, you guys don't eat. Okay, time to lie down, Giddy. Good night. Good boy.
Ow.
Ouch.
Hey.
Hey, you good boy? Yeah. What? No, I don't. No, I don't. Aw, you got it. Good night, buddy. I love you. I love you.
Okay.
Thanks, bud.
Brugus. Time for bed, sleepyhead. That's silly, right, guys?
Yeah.
First, a wash. Splish, splosh. Then I need a storybook. Then turn out the light. Night, night. was good, right, guys?
Yeah, it was cute.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so now that the kids are in bed, taking their naps, hopefully taking their naps, I should say, I am gonna get started on, not food prepping, but whenever I buy fruit, I like to wash all my fruit first and then like put them in my own containers before I put them in the fridge. That way, whenever the kids want to get something, we don't have to like stop to wash everything. Everything's already prepared and washed and sometimes pre-cut. It's something that my mom did all the time that I was growing up. It's just an act of love, and it's just easier for quick access later. You just do all the work first, and I think that's just like one of the things that I picked up from my mom that I do now. I just really liked it when she did that. It made sense to me. And even Ben was like, oh wow, he was like, you know, that's really nice that she does that. And I never really thought about it that way. It just seemed normal to me. I guess I didn't consider that not everybody does stuff like that. But I have my grapes that I'm going to wash. And then I also have strawberries. Yesterday I got a bunch of strawberries and blueberries. Yeah, we eat a lot of fruit, like strawberries and blueberries, so we usually get a lot of them. I'm probably going to cut them up because I do notice that if I just put them back in these containers exactly like this after washing them, they don't really get eaten, but if I take off the stems and I cut them up a little bit, they're usually gone pretty quickly. Actually, I did make a video before on tips and tricks to organizing your refrigerator and just like how to keep produce longer. If you guys want to check that out, I will link that down below. Good. They look really ripe, and I think they're gonna be a perfect snack for when the kids wake up. Let's see. Oops. Put that in there. Lunchtime. I don't use this cup as much as I used to. We should go back here. Myrtles. Or just New Orleans in general. Yeah. How are you feeling? Feeling any better?
A little bit.
You look really tired.
You're
never tired, huh?
right.
Why are you so happy?
Because I'm happy because I love my mommy.
Aw, thank you. I love you too.
Kitty, come here.
Good night.
I like you. I like.
Good night.
Good night. I like. Good night.
Hey, looking good, mister.
Thanks.
How are you feeling?
Okay.
Alright guys, it's getting late. Trying so hard to get the kids in bed. They just don't want to go to bed. Right, so this is where we're gonna end the vlog. We're gonna eat some soup because that's all we have the energy to do. Dump and heat. We're gonna chill out and yeah.
Do some calculus.
Yeah, he's gonna do calculus. I'm gonna veg out in front of the TV.
While I'm doing calculus.
And probably just fall asleep while he's trying to explain calculus to me.
Well, I fail miserably to explain calculus to her.
I won't know the difference. So.
Good night.
Good night, guys.